Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can change your page's name on Facebook. So go over to your Facebook profile, tap on your profile icon on the lower right. And then here under all shortcuts, just tap on pages. And you should be able to see a list of all the pages that you manage. But for this specific video, I'm just going to choose, for example, this one. And once you're on your page, just tap on the settings icon on the upper right. Next, you'd want to go to page info. And here under about is the name of your page. If you want to change it, then just tap on the name. And here it says you can enter a new page name. But Facebook gives us a little reminder. It says Facebook reviews name changes to protect the identity of the businesses, brands, and organizations that the pages represent. So these are just tips from Facebook about how to properly name your page. So you should use a name that accurately represents what the page is about. Do match the name of your business, brand, or organization. And these are the don'ts of naming your page. So let's say I want to change it to Myanmar Kitchen. If I want to do that, then I'm just going to go ahead and tap on continue. And it says here, our review may take up to 3 days and require additional information. If your name change is approved, you won't be able to unpublish the page or change the name again for 7 days. During this time, we may also let the people who like your page know the name's been updated. So if you want that to happen, then just go ahead and tap request change, and that would just automatically switch your name to whatever you exchanged it for. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.